Welcome to Shet Vidya Mandir online lessons.
Hello students, today we shall see methods of capital account. As you all know, we have already studied in class 11. What is capital? The total amount invested in business by owner is known as capital. Do you remember the formula of capital? Capital is equal to assets minus liabilities. Now, in case of partnership, amount brought in cash or kind by the partners to manage the business activities is called capital. This capital contribution may be in the form of cash or it may be in the form of assets such as goods, machinery, land and building, etc. The capital is a long term liability of business. This amount is payable by business to the owner only at the time of closure of business. As you can see, there are two methods of maintaining capital accounts of partners, the fixed capital method and the fluctuating capital method. The Partnership Act does not clarify which method should be used. The partners themselves can decide which method they have to follow. But if the partnership deed is silent on this point, then the partnership firm has to adopt the fluctuating capital method. Let us first see the fluctuating capital method. Under this method, only one account called the capital account is prepared. Now, the balances of capital account change every year in this case. Now, see there is a capital account drawn. As you can see, A and B are partners. Now, capital account is a liability, all of you know that, so it has a credit balance. Now, let's see what items are covered in partner's capital account. On the credit side, first you can see by balance brought down. That is the opening balance, opening credit balance of the partners. Next is by cash bank. This is the additional capital which is introduced by the partners in the business. By asset account, this asset is fixed assets which is gotten by the partner as a capital. Okay. Then by salary account, this salary account means partner's salary account. Commission account, that is partner's commission account. And by P&L account, that is profit and loss account, is share of profits. Now this salary, commission, share of profits, why it is included on the credit side? Because it increases the capital of partners. Similarly, can you see on the debit side? Drawings, interest on drawings, these items reduce the capital of the partner. That's why they are on the debit side. Now see the first item on debit side, to cash bank. This is withdrawal of capital. This is opposite of additional capital, when capital has been withdrawn by the partners from the firm. Okay. Then to drawings, to interest on drawings. As I said, they reduce the capital of partners, so they are on the debit side. To P&L account, this is share of loss of partner. Okay, if there is a loss in the partnership firm, it will be shared like that. And the last is to balance carried down, that is the closing balance of the capital. And then when this account is made, then the closing balances of fluctuating capital accounts are recorded separately on liability side of the balance sheet. Now the next method is fixed capital method. Under this method, the partner's capital account is prepared, and along with that one more account is prepared, partner's current account. Under this method, the partner's capital remains fixed. The balance brought down and balance carried down is normally the same. The balance will change only if the partner gets in any additional capital in the form of cash or assets, or suppose he withdraws any amount, then only his balance will change. Now you can see partner's capital account by balance brought down, that is the opening balance, by cash bank, that is additional capital got in cash, by asset, when the additional capital is got in form of some fixed asset. See on the debit side, to cash bank, that is withdrawal of capital, and to balance carried down, that is the closing balance. Now suppose there is no withdrawal of capital or additional capital, then the opening balance and closing balance will remain same. All other adjustments such as partner's salary, remuneration, interest on drawings, interest on capital, all that will not be mentioned in partner's capital account. All that will go to partner's current account. Okay, so partner's capital account will be shown straight in the balance sheet. and partner's current account will be shown separately in the balance sheet. Okay. As you can see, this is the partner's current account under the fixed capital method. Now see, all the entries such as interest on capital, salary to partners, commission to partner, all this is not written in the capital account but in the current account. See, on the credit side, interest on capital, salary to partner, by commission to partner, and profit and loss account, that is the share of profits. And on the debit side, drawings account, interest on drawings account, and profit and loss account, share of loss. Okay. Now this partner's current account may have a debit balance or a credit balance. If it has a credit balance, then the balance will be transferred to liability side of balance sheet. Similarly, if it shows a debit balance, then it is transferred to asset side of balance sheet. Okay, so this was all about fixed capital method and current capital method. We shall meet again. Take care. Thank you.